Hi, my name is Michael Angelo Dizon, 34 years old and still single. I love playing basketball, billiards, computer games like Dota 2, Counter Strike, Special Force, and I also enjoy watching movies like suspense, thriller, zombie movies, and if there will be time, I here usually spend it with my loved ones. We normally go out of town or uh, trying to go somewhere we can have fun, and that's pretty much it here outside the work. And I graduated college year 2010, and that's when I started working as well as a part-timer computer technician. Here normally I do computer formatting, software installation, trying to recover files, or fixing any software issues. And after I graduate college, I worked as a factory worker for a year and a half. And here, after that, I decided to try my luck in the BPO industry, and luckily I passed. And up until now, I'm still with the industry. So here, it's I'm turning 6 years now here in this industry, and most of the accounts that I've handled are financial and telco. I was able to uh, work as a voice and chat support representative. And here, right now, I'm looking for here a career growth, and also a much better compensation. Also, to ensure my future. And I hope that here you'll be considering my application, and I will do my best and make sure to be part of the people who's providing the success for this for the company. Again, my name is Michael Angelo Dizon. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye now.